Today, we're showing you how to enable offline sync so you can work on your spreadsheets anytime, anywhere. Stay productive even when you're offline. Let's get started. Step 1. Check internet connection first. Ensure you're connected to the internet to set up offline access. Step 2. Open Google Drive settings. Go to Google Drive, click on the gear icon in the top right corner, and select Settings. Step 3. Enable offline mode in the settings menu. Navigate to the Offline section and check the box next to Create. Open and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files on this device while offline. Step 4. Prepare your sheets now. Open the Google Sheets you want to access offline. They will automatically be made available for offline use. Step 5. Install Google Docs offline extension, optional. For a smoother experience, install the Google Docs offline extension for Chrome if you haven't already, and just like that, you're all set to work on your Google Sheets without an internet connection. If this tutorial was helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe for more practical tech tips.